Oh, my package just came. As you know, making videos every day is my priority, so anything I can get to speed up that process works for me. So I ordered this, the DJI Mic Mini. Okay, wait, hold on. This is a gimbal that I can use for my smartphone. Makes it easy to be vlogging around and catching footage of myself or things in the area, and it's very smooth. This is a mic that works with this because here it has a receiver and the transmitter, which is the microphone, is in here. The setup that I'm using right here is somewhat big and heavy. This very light, smartphone light, and then I can carry this little mic and that's all I would need. Much more portable, especially when I'm traveling. This is the receiver that goes on the phone or the camera. Mic 1, oh, nice and small. Mic number 2, and then the connector to take this. So I take this out, then I put this in, and that allows me to plug it into my laptop and use the mics wirelessly with my laptop. I like this. Beautiful. Ooh, and these little windscreens or dead cats. I take this, I assume. Ooh, nice. I like it. And of course there is the charging cable. And if I wanted to connect this to a camera like the one that I'm using, I can plug it in this way. Does this have a ooh, it has a magnetic thingy. Ooh, so you can put this inside your shirt and then just use the magnet to hold it in place, and then all you see is this little thingy here. It's similar to the other one that I have, but it's smaller and I like it. The carrying case is very nice. I can keep all the stuff. Are there compartments in here? Because that would be super cool. Oh yeah, I love me some compartments. Are the compartments too small to fit this? What kind of, oh, okay. If I turn it this way, maybe. Nah, yo, these compartments suck. Oh, okay. There's a zippered compartment right here. And I'm assuming, I like it. Ooh, I think this is gonna replace what I have. Seems like a better option. I'll give the other one to Noah. And then the dead cats or the windscreens, whatever you prefer to call them. Yeah. I got my dead cat in the compartment. Oh shoot, I'm late for a meeting. I'm basically trying to get rid of every excuse by compensating with equipment that can help me do what I want to do.